Welcome to this session on Yoga Nap by LYF Wellness. Yoga Nap is the first step towards Yoga Nidra, and it can be practiced either lying down in Shavasana or sitting on a chair with the feet grounded onto the floor. It is based on the principle of igniting the awareness, helping us to be in the present moment, in the here and now, and also to develop the witnessing attitude. Very useful for people who are involved in strenuous activities or office work so as to get refreshed and recharged in a short time. So we'll begin the meditation session now. Just lie down in Shavasana. Keep your entire body lengthened with the chin tucked in towards your collarbones. Keep your legs out with space between your thighs. Keep your arms away from your body with space in your armpits. Keep the palms facing up towards the ceiling in the receiving energy position. Keep your eyes gently closed. And now be aware of your whole body mentally. See the whole body mentally and feel the whole body through your mind's eye. Be as comfortable as you can, releasing all the tension and all the tightness in your body. Try to visualize the entire body in one vision. Imagine and relax the entire body from the top of your head till the tips of your toes, and from the tips of your toes till the top of your head. Now bring your awareness to the natural movement of the breath in your body. As you inhale, feel the expansion of your body. As you exhale, feel the contraction of your body. Your body expands and contracts like a balloon as you inhale and exhale. With every breathing cycle, feel the expansion and the relaxation of the whole body. Keep on breathing in this manner, breathing in and breathing out, taking long, deep, smooth breaths in and out. Make sure your breath is relaxed. You're not unnecessarily straining your lungs. Now, take your awareness to the different parts of your body. You don't have to concentrate on any part. Just keep moving your attention from one part to another. Just be aware of the body, every body part that's mentioned. You can mentally recite the name of the body part and mentally relax the body part. Now, taking your attention to the right side of the body, the entire right side of your body, the whole of the right side of your body, the right hand thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, fifth finger, right hand thumb and all the fingers together, palm of the right hand, back of the right hand, wrist, lower arm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, right armpit, right waist region, hip, thigh, knee, shin, calf muscle, ankle, heel, top of your right foot, sole of your right foot, right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, right big toe and all the toes together. The entire right side of your body, the whole of the right side of your body is totally relaxed. Now taking your attention to the left side of your body, the whole of the left side of your body. Take your attention to your left hand thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, fifth finger, left hand thumb and all the fingers together. Palm of your left hand, back of your left hand, wrist, lower arm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, left armpit, left waist region, hip, thigh, knee, shin, calf, ankle, heel, top of your left foot, sole of your left foot, left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, the left big toe and all the toes together. The entire left side of your body, the whole of the left side of your body is totally relaxed. Now taking your attention towards the back of your body, the whole of the back of your body, back of your right leg, back of your left leg, right buttock, left buttock, tailbone, right lower back, left lower back, right middle back, left middle back, right shoulder blade, left shoulder blade, back of your neck, back of your head, length of your spine, the entire length of your spine, the whole of the back of your body, the entire back of your body is totally relaxed. Now taking your attention to the front of your body, the whole of the front of your body, right forehead, left forehead, right temple, left temple, right eyebrow, left eyebrow, and the space between your eyebrows, right eye, right eyelids, eyelashes, eyeball, left eye, left eyelids, eyelashes, eyeball, nose, tip of your nose, bridge of your nose, right cheek, left cheek, right cheekbone, left cheekbone. Keep your mind alert, listening to my instructions, taking your attention to the upper jaw and the lower jaw, upper lip, lower lip, inside of your mouth, upper gums, lower gums, upper teeth, lower teeth, upper palate, lower palates, your throat, tongue, your right collarbone, left collarbone, right rib cage, left rib cage, right side of your abdomen, left side of your abdomen, top part of your abdomen, bottom part of your abdomen. Now visualize your entire right leg. Visualize your entire left leg. Visualize both the legs together. Visualize your entire right arm. Visualize your entire left arm. Now visualize both the arms together. Visualize your whole torso, front and the back. Visualize your whole neck, front and the back. Now visualize your whole head, front and the back. Visualizing your entire body lying down in Shavasana now. Visualize your entire body lying down in Shavasana. Just be aware of your whole body together. Now begin to let go of the awareness of your body. Be aware of the surroundings and the space around you. Be aware of the points of contact of your body with the floor. Be aware of each and everything around you. Begin to move your body, move through your toes, fingers, arms, and your legs. Move through your toes. Now slowly begin to move your body. Move through your toes, fingers, arms and your legs. Get your feet together, arms over your head. Give a nice lengthening stretch to your body. Keep your right arm overhead. Fold your left leg. Slowly turn over to your right side and with the help of the left hand come to the sitting position. Keep your eyes closed. Now rub your palms. Bring in that heat in your palms and place them over your eyes. Feel a soothing sensation in your eyes as you keep your palms gently cupping your eyes. Now slowly open your eyes as you get your palms away. Keep looking at your palms. Now join your palms. Thank you everyone. Hope you had a good session.